All right, so today we are going to be creating a widget, and we're going to start here in the search portal. And this tab here has all of our different widgets. And I already have it created, but I'm going to show you real quick how to create a widget. You're going to want to create a search result widget for this one. You just enter a name, a unique ID, a variation name if you have variations, and I chose it to be common across all pages. However, I'm just going to use the one that we have here. And not a whole lot to see here other than um, the one thing we do want here is, so I'm here on the settings, and here are the different facets that we have to choose from the attributes. Here are the 5 facets, and I just want this page category one. I don't want the other one, so I'm just going to click to enable it. And then the other thing I want is here for sorting, there's publish date. And I want to sort by the published date. Okay, so we are going to save that and we're going to publish. And I think that's it for this. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go into our React app. First of all, let's start in the package.json. You're going to need to npm install 2 packages. The first one is Sitecore search React. You'll need that one for today. And then there's the optional Sitecore search UI. We'll be using that in future episodes. But these are the 2 packages we have for Sitecore search. Next up is the whatever the root file of your React or Next.js app is. You're going to wrap your components with the widgets provider. So we have, just import the widgets provider from Sitecore Search React. Here I have my config. We have the 2 required ones are the customer key and the API key. I will show you where you can get those. You go here, and I don't actually want to open it because that means I have to blur out the keys and stuff, and that's kind of a pain. So I'm going to just you just click on this tab, you'll see the customer key and the API key. All right, so that's that, and then let's go ahead and create our widget. So here's our search page. Right now I just have a section tag, and I have well, I don't even have H1 yet. There's no props coming in, but I'm going to create a search results widget. Search results. Okay, and then I'm going to go here. I have it open already. This is the documentation for the search. These are the different hooks that you can use. You can click on if you want. You can read about the different use cases for the different hooks. For this case, it's going to be use search results. This is the response you get. But this, I'm just going to. They have a whole block of code, and I'm just going to copy that whole thing. And I'm going to plop it right into the search results widget. This is just a linting thing. I don't like seeing the red, so I'm just going to comment that out for now. We're going to be needing some of those. And I think that's pretty much it. No, that's not it. I have to import this. It's called search results style widget. So I'm going to put this on to the search page. Widget. Okay. And it is missing an attribute for the RFK ID. Okay, so we're going to go back to the portal. And we can see the RFK ID is RFK ID _7 lowercase. So RFK ID _7. Okay. Okay. I think that's it for now. I just want to see the data. I'm not actually going to render anything. So let's just console log. Let's see what the response is like. They have it destructured for us, and our content's going to be called articles. We'll call it something different later, but articles and facets. So I want to see the articles are going to be all the different pages that we are going to show in the results, and the facets are the filter facets. So it's console log article. It's my first time console logging something, I think. All right, facets. And here are the facets. Okay. All right, this should just work. And they're all empty. Okay. All right, let's go to the network tab. Okay, featured descend is not configured. Okay, I do remember this. I've done this before. Featured. Okay, so here I have the default sort type as featured descend, and I had it as published date or published date. Let's go back and check. It was here. Where did I have it? Variation settings. Where was it? Rules. Here. Sorting publish underscore date. Okay. That should, let's try again. Okay. Okay, here we go. There's all our stuff. And here we go. And here are facets. We have one facet only, page category. And we have our three categories, our three facet values inside the content of our work. And then we have 24 articles. It should be 93, but there's only 24 per page, I believe. So I think that's because here. So default items per page, I believe there's 93 pages, but we are only taking the first 24. All right, that's it for this session. In our next session, we are going to be using this data, and we're going to start building out the filters and showing the different cards.